Hello, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This week I'm sharing 2 cards with you, and both are using the Spring Market collection papers by Cartabella, both the 12 by 12 inch papers as well as the 6 by 6 inch papers, plus some ephemera, some die cuts, etc. The first one you see here, I used some layering, I used some die cuts, some stickles here, and lots of leaves and flowers, and these are all from my stash. They are brandless, and as you can see I did some accenting here, some glossy accenting, but with Nuvo crystal drops, and the inside is like this, so it has a mat so you can write on that, and then some die cutting and some flowers, and this is the back. So I really love the spring colors here. This is perfect to send someone for their birthday, but also maybe you have some sick persons that you want to cheer up, and this is a great way to do so. And the second card, again with the same papers, the Spring Market collection by Cartabella, is a bit larger in the sense that it has a double flap. So on the front, lots of floral accenting going on. I did some die cutting here, used some small flowers, and this is a die cut flower, or actually 2. So this is Keali's set of flowers here. And I added all of the little blings and flat back pearls and enamel dots, etc. So the label here in the middle is a die cut from the collection. And this card, as I said, has 2 flaps. So this is the front. I decorated it well with some die cutting, some flowers, some leaves, and this is a die cut from the collection, and I die cut a background circle for it. This is a frame from the collection. I stamped it and added a flower, a die cut leaf, and an enamel dot from the collection, and then you open the second flap. So again, a die cut from the collection, added some decorative brads here. And then this is the place where you would write your message, and added a little flower and a die cut here. So again, a very spring-like, also very suitable for summer. Look at these great colors and these lovely florals, guys. So I thought I'd just share these because, well, I always have some papers left over when I've done some larger projects. And these I had left over from my double take mini album, which I showed you a short while ago. And I also did a teeny tiny micro album that I showed you recently. So just to give you some inspiration that you will not have to throw any pieces of paper away. Just scrap it all up is mostly what I do. So these are the last 2 projects that I did with these papers. So I hope you feel inspired, guys. You can make some cards, even if you are an album maker like I am. But these cards, they are like some palette cleansers for me between larger projects. So, and it's always useful because there are many people having their birthdays that you want to send cards to, right? So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment sections. Click the like and subscribe to my channel, guys, and click the bell to get notifications. So thank you for watching, and see you next week. Bye bye.